said anything. Everyone has to know, though. I can't get it out of my head. Why did I end up having to chase after someone who was always so far behind me? We both admired him. I admired him so much. But it's because of me that he ended up losing his power. So what the hell am I supposed to do? No, he's been carrying this guilt with him the whole time. Even more than me. I refuse to be your punching bag, Kachan. Let's go! He'll be on me before I land. This is bad.
I know why you're so angry, young Baku. But you have to remember each of your rank when the year first began. It's much easier to level up when you're a novice.
I guess I shouldn't be surprised. That we've both been getting stronger. What are you smiling about? That's one of the things I hate most about you! But if you seriously believe you're gonna surpass me as a hero, even with your new power, you better think again, Deku! Is that what you actually believed? All this time? You had so much going for you that I didn't have! All Might was my hero, but you were the one actually in my life! He's faster than before. The continuous whole body limit had been raised. 8%! That's the reason! I kept chasing after you! You passed me! Can't you see? That's why I want to beat you! Because you're amazing! When I get riled up and my desire to win surpasses my desire to save someone, without meaning to, I start talking like you. You're so mean sometimes, and I hate it.
On a wire.